Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to create this preset for your photos. Now you can see the preset on our before and after pictures. You can download this preset for free. To download, you need a password, which is shown twice in the upper right corner and consists of two parts. Password 1 and password 2. You need to combine the two parts of the password and remember it. Let's start creating the preset.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head.
The preset's ready. Now I will show you how to apply preset to photos. A preset is not always perfect for every photo, and sometimes you need to adjust the settings a little. Leave your request for new presets under this video, and we will definitely make the preset at your request absolutely free. Subscribe to the channel, leave your thumbs up, write your requests for presets. Thank you for being with us. See you next time.
What does perfect even mean?